Fixing paper feed issues in the HP Envy Inspire 7200, 7200E, 7900, 7900E all-in-one printer series. If your printer is not picking up paper from the input tray or document feeder and a paper jam error message is displaying, use the steps in this video to troubleshoot potential issues. Note: after each step listed, attempt to print a document to see if the issue has been resolved. If it hasn't, proceed to the following step. Paper feed issues might result from using ripped, dusty, curled, wrinkled, or bent paper. Use only new, clean, and quality paper that meets printer specifications. For printers with an input tray, open the main tray and slide the paper width guides outwards. Take the stack of paper out of the main tray and remove any severely bent, wrinkled, or torn paper from the stack. Check for any obstructions inside the main tray and remove. Even small pieces of paper can cause paper feed issues. With both hands, hold the stack of paper and then tap the bottom edge of the stack on a flat surface so that the stack is even on all sides. Insert the stack of paper into the main tray and slide the paper width guides inwards until they touch the edges of the paper. Then close the main tray. Note: make sure the paper loaded matches the paper size and type settings in the printer software, HP Smart App, or printer control panel. For printers with an ADF or automatic document feeder, slide the paper guides outwards and then remove the paper from the document feeder. Remove any severely bent, wrinkled, or torn pages from the stack. With both hands, hold the stack of paper and then tap the bottom edge of the stack on a flat surface so that the stack is even on all sides. Insert the stack of paper back into the document feeder and then slide the paper guides inwards until they touch the edges of the paper. Dust, paper fiber, and other debris can accumulate on the paper feed rollers, causing paper jams and feed issues. Cleaning the rollers helps prevent future paper jams. To clean the rollers, gather a lint-free cloth and distilled or filtered water. For printers with an input tray, turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord and disconnect any other cables you have connected to the printer. Lightly dampen the cloth with water and squeeze any excess water from the cloth. Remove the input tray and pull out the main tray. Then, gently tilt the printer from the front at about a 60-degree angle to access the printer base. Press the cloth against the rollers and rotate them away from you using your fingers. Apply moderate pressure to remove any dust or dirt buildup. Allow the rollers to dry completely before moving forward. This will take about 10 minutes. For printers with an ADF, turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord and disconnect any other cable if there are any attached. Remove any media from the document feeder tray and lift the document feeder cover. Lightly dampen the cloth with the water and squeeze any excess water from the cloth. Gently clean the separator pad and the rollers with the damp cloth. Allow the separator pad and rollers to dry completely before moving forward. This will take about 10 minutes. Lower the document feeder cover until it snaps back into place. Resetting the printer can help clear a paper jam error message if there is no physical media actually jammed in the printer. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer and unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds and reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. If the issue continues, service the printer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.